Welcome. If you're looking to make your Roblox experience smoother and faster, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on the Reduce Motion feature in Roblox for a more streamlined performance. Whether you're playing on a slightly older device or just want to minimize flashy animations, this quick setting can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, tap on Settings. It's usually near the top of the list and easy to spot. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option called Device Preferences. Tap on that to continue. Now you're almost there. Inside Device Preferences, you'll find a setting called Reduce Motion. This is the feature that helps cut down on extra animations, making your gameplay feel smoother and often improving performance, especially on devices that might struggle with heavy graphics. To activate Reduce Motion, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. You'll notice the switch changes color or position, confirming that the feature is now active. That's it. You've successfully enabled Reduce Motion on Roblox. With this setting turned on, you should notice fewer visual effects and transitions, which can help your device run Roblox more efficiently. It's a great way to keep things running smoothly and focus on what really matters, playing your favorite games. If you ever want to turn Reduce Motion off, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!